A garden kneeler, also known as a garden tuffet or hassock, is a piece of equipment that is used to provide comfort to the user when they are in a kneeling position. The best garden kneeler will be durable, comfortable, foldable, easy to use and store away. We've listed down the top 5 best garden kneeler and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, columbiaflorist.net. 5. TomCare Garden Kneeler Seat. TomCare is a trusted name when it comes to gardening supplies, as the price tag reflects. And this wide seat kneeler is a great way to cater for all your needs when you're planting or weeding out back. As with most of these kneelers, the green and white finish is designed to work with pretty much any garden. The wiped down fabric is super simple to clean even if it gets caught out in the rain. Alongside durability, the comfort factor is also taken care of. The EVA plastic comes with a thickly padded foam so you won't hurt your knees even if you're in the mud for hours. There's a single divided pocket on the included tool pouch so you can gather up everything you need in advance and save trekking around the garden for tools when you need them. 330 pounds is the benchmark for capacity with garden furniture, and this TomCare unit will bear that with ease. You can pull yourself up using the strength of the steel frame, which is ideal if you're advancing in years and could do with a helping hand. The TomCare can be used both as a seat and kneeling pad, so it can simplify the full spread of gardening duties. When you've finished up, simply fold the seat down to a compact 23 by 10 by 5 inch package that can be easily stored even in small areas. A spring mechanism reduces the effort you'll need when packing away to the barest minimum. This model does ride particularly low when it's in kneeler mode, so make sure you'll be comfortable with such a low slung position. Although it's not as long lasting a guarantee as some of the competition offer, you'll be covered for a year in the event of any damage, which is some consolidation. 4. SONGMICS Garden Kneeler Seat. This wide kneeler comes with 1 or 2 separate tool pouches, so think about how much equipment you tend to have at hand and buy accordingly. The mesh-lined pockets are ideal for seeds and fertilizer, when you can use the other pockets for any small tools you need. Everything is built to last and to keep those smaller gardening items safe and close to hand. The padded bench means you can lose track of time weeding or digging without feeling any strain on your joints. This foam is now uprated and thicker than ever before. Although this kneeler is not cheap, that money goes into these all-important details. You'll get some plastic leg protectors so you won't get any knocks or scrapes on the legs of the chair, even if it gets battered around a bit outside. The seat folds up and down quickly and easily with no force required. The metal frame is rugged enough that you can use it to pull yourself up or down. While it can withstand up to 330 pounds, the bench itself weighs just 6.5 pounds, so it's simple to break down and store away in a tight space and light enough to move around without straining yourself. When you're seated, the pad rides 17.5 inches from the floor. Kneeling sees you at 4.25 inches off the ground. This is designed to allow you to work in comfort while maintaining great posture. As long as you don't leave it outside in all winds and weathers, this extra wide garden kneeler should give you many years of happy service. Treat yourself and notice far fewer aches and pains from bending and stopping in the garden. The package arrives with all that you need fully assembled, so buy one of these kneelers today and enhance your gardening comfort tomorrow. Some users have even reported using this setup inside the house to help with cleaning chores, so it's a multi-purpose way to keep your back in good shape and prevent any needless bending and stretching. 3. ABCO-Tech Garden Kneeler. Tired of experiencing pain while you are kneeling down to garden? Have a bad back? The ABCO-Tech Garden Kneeler will alleviate these issues while allowing you to continue to enjoy gardening. Your garden kneeling is made easy with this amazing ABCO Sport seat and kneeler garden. It is a high quality kneeler that allows you to work without hurting your knees or getting dirty. The construction is strong, durable with a metallic frame to withstand your weight. The kneeler doubles as a seat and can easily be flipped to convert into a seat. A folded flat design allows for easy storage and transportation of the kneeler. You get this incredible garden kneeler at a good price with a risk-free satisfaction guarantee and a free tool pouch. According to the consumer, feedback is given for ABCO-Tech Garden Kneeler and Seat. This model is not only efficient but also lasts for a long time, meaning you do not have to replace it now and then. This model is constructed using a strong metallic frame. Not only makes it strong and durable, but also provides enough support for both your hands and back. The kneeler is foldable while it can be used as both a seat and a kneeling pad. The product is a bit heavier at 6.6 pounds, but it is not difficult to carry around at all. And storage is no issue either. There is a pocket area on one side where you get 3 separate pockets for all your gardening tools and accessories. The pockets are a good size, which means items will not be falling out when the kneeler is in the seat position. 2. Red Home Club Thick Garden Kneeler Pad. Red Home Club Garden Kneeler Pad is an excellent choice when it comes to your gardening activities. It can even be your perfect companion when it comes to your yoga and exercise regime. The great part of this garden kneeler is the fact that its pad is of the thickest high density. It is made up of highly durable and recycled foam which is 1.5 inches thick. This makes it last for an eternity. If you are a heavy-duty gardener, this garden kneeler is a blessing in disguise for you. Its foam material is made up of rigid material which can withstand extreme temperatures and rocky surfaces. But if you think that toughness is the only attribute of this product, you are wrong. This garden kneeler pad provides a soft cushion that can comfort your knees while you tend plants in the garden. The portable aspect of the garden kneeler pad makes it very effective in use. It has been developed in a way to minimize water absorption and is very easy to clean and dry. If you are looking for a trendy product, then Red Home Club Garden Kneeler Pad is just for you. It comes in 4 different colors, including blue, green, black, and pick which you can opt according to the aesthetics of your home. 1. Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat. First up is a heavy-duty kneeler from Ohuhu that comes with a loyal fan base thanks to a winning combination of price and performance. When you consider the overall cost of garden tools and maintenance, this small extra makes all the difference. You carry out most of your more laid-back gardening from the comfort of your garden seat. Flip it over and you get an elevated kneeling pad. Load bearing is impressive at 330 pounds, so this garden kneeler seat is suitable for almost anyone. This folding garden kneeler comes in a muted green and the EVA fabric is extremely hard wearing. The steel frame gives everything a rigid foundation. The padded kneeler is perfect to protect your joints as you tend to your plants and vegetables. When you're gardening, you always need a range of tools at hand. A pair of pouches with pockets helps you keep everything you need close at hand. The folding nature of this seating means you can slot it neatly away even if you've got limited storage space. Snap it up or down in seconds flat. Unfolded, this set measures up at 22 by 11 by 19 inches, and folded down it's extremely compact, enabling storage almost anywhere. The seat sits at about 17 inches and it's very easy to move around as you switch from task to task. Everything comes full assembled so there's no need to mess around and you can get going straight out the box. The rigidity and strength of the frame means you can push yourself up using the seat or pad if you struggle to get up and down at times. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.